In this video, I will show how to convert an Excel document into Word document. So guys, if you want to copy table from Excel to Word, like we have this Excel document. So firstly, save on your desktop or document or any folder. Then open the Microsoft Word. Now you want to copy your Excel worksheet here. So insert. Here is the option Object. Click here. Now here select Create from File. Now select Link to File. Now browse and select your Excel worksheet. Then click on OK. So this way you can copy entire worksheet in Microsoft Word. So this is the method you can copy table or Excel worksheet. Just follow these steps. Insert object and make sure select here Create from File, Link to File and select your Excel. Click on OK. Once you select it, you can adjust the size like this. So thanks for watching.